Looking for camping gear that makes outdoor life easier? You're in the right place. Today, we've got 21 innovative camping gadgets that will turn you into a camping pro. And hey, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel for more awesome outdoor tech. And don't forget to check out the product links in the description below to grab your own. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Camp Cooker. Imagine cooking like a pro in the wilderness with a tool that lets you grill, fry, and boil all in one. The Camp Cooker is based on the traditional Discata cookers used in the American Southwest, made from sturdy cast iron for perfect meals. It features an 8,455 BTU burner, which is perfect for everything from butter-basted steaks to tacos. The tripod stand is portable, and the burner folds for convenience. Whether you're hanging it over a campfire or using it on a tailgate, this multifunctional cooker makes group camping meals a breeze. Nemo Scaler. When you want to keep things simple but effective, the Nemo Scaler tarp is the way to go. Designed for easy setup and lightweight portability, it's perfect for minimalist campers. The Scaler transforms into an open-air shelter or a closed-in refuge with one quick adjustment, featuring built-in pockets for gear and adjustable poles for stability. This tarp is ideal for short trips where you need shelter, not extra gear. It's perfect for anyone who values simplicity and speed when setting up camp. VSSL Java Coffee Grinder. Calling all coffee lovers. If you're tired of instant coffee while camping, the VSSL Java Coffee Grinder is the solution. This portable manual grinder has 50 grind settings, making it perfect for that fresh cup of coffee in the wild. Made of stainless steel with a carabiner to clip to your pack, it's tough and built for adventure. Plus, it's not just for coffee. You can grind herbs and other ingredients too. It's compact, reliable, and ideal for those mornings when you need that perfect brew on the go. Dual Outset Rooftop Tent. Who says camping has to be uncomfortable? The Dual Outset Rooftop Tent takes convenience to the next level. Attaching to your vehicle's tow bar, this tent is quick to set up and eliminates the need for a ladder. It's weather-resistant and elevated off the ground to protect you from bugs and damp conditions. With its built-in mattress, it's like having a portable hotel room wherever you go. It's easy to set up, improves fuel efficiency, and keeps your gear safe and dry. Nemo Resolve Technical Day Pack. If you're heading out for a long hike, the Nemo Resolve Day Pack is your perfect companion. It's made from durable, water-resistant material with a comfortable back panel and straps for all-day wear. This award-winning pack has a U-shaped zip that opens wide for easy access to your gear. It's also designed with sustainable, fully recyclable materials, making it both eco-friendly and durable. Whether you're on a short trail or an overnight adventure, this pack provides everything you need in a lightweight, technical design. Add 2 6-axe. For those who need a reliable tool in the wild, the ADK26 axe is a hybrid of both a hatchet and a full-size axe. It's designed for versatility with a Scandinavian-style blade for carving and a long handle for splitting logs. The handle is detachable, making it easy to pack and store in your camping gear, whether you're preparing firewood or carving tools. The ADC26 gives you the perfect balance of portability and power for outdoor tasks. Seago Solar Charger. Say goodbye to dead devices with the Seago Solar Charger. With its folding origami-style design, this solar charger packs away neatly, but opens up to 20 by 38 inches to provide 25 watts of power. It's weatherproof, lightweight, and comes with USB-C and USB-QC 3.0 ports for charging multiple devices simultaneously. Whether you're off-grid camping or just need a backup charger, this solar panel makes it easy to stay connected anywhere. Titanium Mess Kit. This titanium mess kit is a must-have for any camper who needs durable, lightweight cooking tools. The set includes a 1L canteen, stackable cups, and a carrying case. Made of grade 1 titanium, it's both lightweight and ultra-durable, so you Can boil water or cook meals without worrying about wear and tear. It's perfect for solo adventures or group camping trips, giving you everything you need to stay fueled and hydrated in a compact, portable package. BioLite Headlamp 800 Pro. Brighten up your night with the BioLite Headlamp 800 Pro. This headlamp provides up to 800 lumens, which is more than enough to light up the trail or your campsite. It's compact, lightweight, and rechargeable, offering multiple lighting modes to fit your needs. With its comfortable fit and long battery life, this headlamp makes night hiking or cooking at the campsite easier than ever. Plus, the Run Forever mode lets you keep going even while it recharges, ensuring you're never left in the dark. Anchor Everfrost Cooler. When you're out in the wild, having a reliable cooler can make all the difference, and the Anchor Everfrost is built for extreme conditions. Not only does it keep your food and drinks cold with a full refrigerant system, but it also includes a 299-watt battery pack for added functionality. It chills from 77 degrees Fahrenheit to 34 degrees Fahrenheit in just 30 minutes. And the cooler can be controlled via a mobile app. With portable wheels and a fold-out mini table, it's the ultimate camping gadget for keeping your supplies cold and your space organized. Forest Tool Max Kit. The Forest Tool Max Kit is a must-have for wilderness survival. This all-in-one tool set includes a shovel, axe, rake, and pick, among others. The tools are made from top-quality materials and are designed to be easily swapped in and out of the composite handle. The included carrying case makes it easy to keep everything organized and accessible for any outdoor adventure. Whether you're camping, hiking, or just preparing for an emergency, EcoFlow Wave Portable Air Conditioner. Camping in hot weather can be uncomfortable, but the EcoFlow Wave Portable Air Conditioner will change that. It's compact but powerful, cooling up to 64 square feet in just 8 minutes. It runs on a rechargeable battery, but you can also plug it into your car or use solar panels. It's perfect for cooling down your tent or RV. Plus, it doesn't drip or make a mess, keeping your campsite dry and comfortable all day long. Slide King 2K Flashlight. The Slide King 2K flashlight is perfect for outdoor enthusiasts who need a reliable light source. It has a magnetized base, making it hands-free for work or repairs. It's durable, with a rubberized grip and an IP67 waterproof rating, which makes it perfect for any weather. With 4 light modes and a zoom function, you can switch from a wide beam to a focused spotlight, making it ideal for hiking, camping, or emergency situations. Brooder EXP8 Off-Road Camper Trailer. For those who love off-road adventures, the Brooder EXP8 Off-Road Camper Trailer is a game-changer. This rugged trailer is designed for extreme terrains, making it perfect for overlanding or remote camping trips. It has a 1600-watt solar system, a 5000-watt inverter, and a 48-volt battery pack to power your appliances. With spacious interior storage and a remote water pickup system, this camper is a mobile home that can handle anything nature throws at it. VSSL Flask. The VSSL Flask combines style with functionality. This flask isn't just for holding your favorite beverage, it doubles as an outdoor survival kit. Inside, you'll find a compass, matches, fishing gear, and a flashlight. It's built from high-quality aluminum, making it durable and water-resistant. This compact flask is perfect for any adventure, and it fits easily in your backpack or gear bag, so you can carry it everywhere. Helix Ultimate Fire Starter. The Helix Ultimate Fire Starter is an essential tool for any camping trip. This compact fire starter creates a spark that can easily ignite dry materials, even in wet conditions. It's small enough to fit in your pocket, making it perfect for lightweight camping. The steel alloy fire starter works reliably in all weather conditions and comes with a durable handle that's easy to grip, so you'll never be left without fire in the wilderness. Yeti, Rambler, Tumbler. Stay hydrated on the go with the Yeti Rambler. Tumbler, known for its double-wall vacuum insulation, This tumbler keeps your drinks cold for up to 24 hours or hot for 6 hours. Whether you're hiking, camping, or just out for a day trip, this tumbler is perfect for every adventure. It's made from durable stainless steel and comes with a no-sweat design, so you don't have to worry about moisture buildup while you sip. BIOLITE Camp Stove 2. The BioLite Camp Stove 2 is more than just a portable stove. It's an energy generator. This compact stove burns wood and converts the heat into electricity, which you can use to charge your devices while cooking. It features a fan to increase combustion efficiency and reduce smoke, making it perfect for cooking meals in the wilderness without leaving a huge smoke trail. It's lightweight, efficient, and an eco-friendly solution for your outdoor cooking needs. Black Diamond Spot 350 Headlamp. The Black Diamond Spot 350 headlamp is perfect for nighttime adventures. With a 350 lumen output, it offers excellent brightness for hiking, camping, or even emergencies. The headlamp has multiple lighting modes, including red light to preserve your night vision. Its compact design and adjustable headband ensure comfort, and the IPX8 waterproof rating means you can use it in any weather. It's rechargeable, making it a cost-effective, eco-friendly lighting option. Coleman's Sundome Tent. For those new to camping or seasoned pros, the Coleman's Sundome Tent is an easy-to-set-up, reliable option for your next outdoor trip. This tent features Coleman's exclusive WeatherTech system, which includes inverted seams and a waterproof floor to keep you dry during rainy nights. It's spacious, breathable, and easy to assemble in minutes. The tent also offers excellent ventilation with large windows and a ground vent. Perfect for summer camping. JetBoil Flash Cooking System. The JetBoil Flash Cooking System is a compact and fast way to cook in the great outdoors. This system is perfect for boiling water quickly, making it ideal for tea, coffee, or freeze-dried meals. It uses FluxRing technology to make boiling water incredibly efficient, saving you both time and fuel. The system also includes a pot burner and a convenient carrying bag, making it an all-in-one solution for cooking on the go. These 21 camping gadgets are all designed to make your outdoor experiences more fun, efficient, and safe. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a first-time camper, these gadgets will take your camping game to the next level. Check out the links in the description to grab them now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome outdoor gear. Recommendations. Happy camping!